Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Imagine your gut as a bustling neighborhood where trillions of tiny microbes like bacteria and fungi live together. These microbes help break down food, train your immune system to fight off germs, and even influence how you feel. Scientists are still learning how they communicate with our bodies. But one thing is clear, they play a crucial role in keeping us healthy. Your gut microbiome is a team of tiny workers breaking down plant fibers like those in fruits, veggies, and whole grains that your body can't digest alone. These bacteria produce beneficial compounds that nourish your colon's lining, support immune cells, and help absorb nutrients like B vitamins and vitamin K. A balanced microbiome keeps digestion smooth, but imbalances like after antibiotics or poor diet can cause bloating or discomfort. Eating diverse foods and staying hydrated supports a healthy gut team. Your gut microbiome isn't just about digestion. It's also a key player in training your immune system. Think of it like a military base where bacteria teach immune cells how to recognize threats, like harmful germs or toxins. A balanced microbiome helps your body respond quickly and effectively, while imbalances may weaken this defense. Lifestyle choices, such as eating diverse foods and avoiding unnecessary antibiotics, can support this protective system. However, science is still uncovering exactly how these interactions work. Your gut microbiome doesn't just aid digestion, it also plays a role in your mood and immunity. Recent studies suggest that gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, which can influence brain function. A balanced microbiome, supported by diverse foods and hydration, may improve mental health. However, more research is needed to fully understand these connections. Your gut microbiome isn't static. It's shaped by diet, medicine, and environment. Over-the-counter OTC medicines, like pain relievers or antihistamines, can temporarily alter gut bacteria, but they're FDA-regulated to balance safety with effectiveness. A diverse diet rich in whole foods supports a healthy microbiome, while hydration and lifestyle choices help maintain balance. Though science is still exploring these interactions, following standard care ensures your gut stays resilient. Let's separate fact from fiction about gut bacteria. Some myths claim probiotics can instantly boost immunity or fix mood issues, but science says it's more nuanced. Over-the-counter medicines, like pain relievers, are regulated to be safe and effective, but they can temporarily alter your gut microbiome. That doesn't mean they're harmful. It just means the effect is usually short-term and balanced by other factors. Always follow label instructions or consult a healthcare provider if unsure. Lifestyle choices, like eating diverse foods, may support a healthy microbiome, but they aren't magic fixes. Standard care still matters. If your gut health concerns involve persistent symptoms like severe stomach pain, unexplained weight changes, or blood in stool, it's time to consult a healthcare provider. They'll help rule out conditions like inflammatory bowel disease or infections. Also, if you're taking multiple supplements or medications, discuss this with them. Some can interact or affect your gut bacteria. Always share details about allergies, herbs, or vitamins to ensure safe and informed care. Lifestyle changes support gut health, but standard medical evaluation remains essential for complex issues. Your gut microbiome thrives on diversity. Fill your plate with fiber-rich foods. Think colorful fruits, veggies, and whole grains to nourish beneficial bacteria that aid digestion and immunity. Fermented foods, like yogurt or kimchi, can also help, though effects vary by person. Always check supplement labels and consult a doctor if symptoms persist, as they could signal underlying conditions. Small lifestyle tweaks support gut health, but don't skip standard care. It's your safety net. Probiotics live good bacteria in supplements or fermented foods, like yogurt, may support gut health, but their effects vary by person. Prebiotics, fiber-rich foods that feed these bacteria, are safer bets for most people. Always follow label instructions and consult a healthcare provider if you're taking multiple supplements or medications, as some can interact. Over-the-counter medicines are regulated for safety, but risks exist. Never self-prescribe. Lifestyle choices back up gut health, but standard medical care remains essential for complex issues. Farm animals carry zoonotic diseases, germs that can jump from animals to humans. Touching livestock or their environment, like fencing or buckets, may expose you to bacteria, viruses, or parasites. Always wash hands thoroughly after contact, especially for kids at petting zoos. Wild animals also pose risks. Ticks from deer or mice can spread Lyme disease, while some carry rabies. Enjoy wildlife safely. Maintaining distance protects your gut health and overall well-being. Science is still figuring out how much our gut bacteria influence mood, immunity, and digestion. Some studies suggest links like probiotics in supplements or fermented foods, but effects vary by person. Prebiotics, fiber that feeds good bacteria, are safer and more consistent. Always follow label instructions and consult a healthcare provider if you're taking multiple supplements or medications, as interactions can happen. Over-the-counter medicines are regulated for safety, but risks exist. Never self-prescribe. Lifestyle choices support gut health, but standard medical care remains essential for complex issues. Your gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem with real but still emerging connections to digestion, immunity, and mood. While probiotics in supplements or fermented foods show promise, their effects vary by person, and prebiotics fiber that feeds good bacteria are safer and more consistent. Always follow label instructions and consult a healthcare provider if you're taking multiple supplements or medications, as interactions can happen. Lifestyle choices like diet and hygiene support gut health, but standard medical care remains essential for complex issues. Effective communication with your doctor is key to making the most of your healthcare visits. This video explores what science knows about your gut microbiome, how it influences digestion, immunity, and even mood. But it's not medical advice. Always follow supplement or medication labels carefully and consult a healthcare provider if you're taking multiple medications or have complex health issues. While lifestyle choices like diet can support gut health, standard medical care is essential for safe and effective treatment. Good communication with your doctor helps ensure the best outcomes. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice.